So, here it is, the project I promised. It might not look like much to you, but let me tell you, this tiny bit of code took way too long and officially fried my last remaining brain cell. You're probably wondering, how did I end up here? Honestly, I'm asking myself the same thing. I started learning JavaScript from scratch a few days ago, and I'm convinced its sole purpose is to ruin my life. We went from simple strings and numbers to floating point values and concatenation. JavaScript found a way to torment me with every single one of them. I'm powering through the freeCodeCamp curriculum, but it has me questioning my entire existence. These are supposed to be the basics, but then concatenation pops up. Do you even know what that does? If you're a pro, flex in the comments. But for me, it was the beginning of the end. The mission was simple: build a greeting bot. It was supposed to be the grand finale that combined everything I'd learned so far. I foolishly thought, hey, I've got this. Spoiler alert, I don't have this. At one point, I had to declare a variable, something I've done a dozen times, but my brain just deleted the file. I sat there, staring at my screen for 10 straight minutes, in total silence, until I realized the tutorial had the example sitting right there in front of me the whole time. Peak performance, right? The first few steps were actually boring because the lesson was holding my hand way too much. I felt like a genius just copying the examples. But somewhere around step 6 or 7, the tutorial decided I was ready to fly. It stopped holding my hand and started giving them these vague instructions that felt like riddles. Then came the return of my arch nemesis, concatenation. For the uninitiated, that's just a fancy word of putting two words together. But trying to mash strings and variables together without breaking the code had me on the verge of actual tears. And because freeCodeCamp doesn't have the autocomplete magic of VS Code, I was the autocomplete. My brain was doing all the heavy lifting, and it was reaching its limit. And don't even get me started on ASI, Automatic Semicolon Insertion. It sounds helpful, right? Like a little assistant fixing your mistakes. Wrong. It's a trap. It puts semicolons in the wrong places, leaving me staring at a syntax error and wondering where it all went wrong. I'm out here fighting for my life against a punctuation mark. I'll be honest, I expected a literal bot. Maybe some colors, a little interface, something cool. What I got was a bot that lives in the console log. A massive headache and a lot of frustration. But I guess that's the reality of learning to code. The melting brain, the I want to quit moment are what makes the breakthrough worth it. If nothing else, today taught me one very important coding skill: patience. Thanks for listening to my rant. If you've ever felt like a programming language was personally attacking you, hit the like button so I know I'm not alone. Subscribe to follow the rest of this chaotic journey, and comment down below what life lesson has learning to code taught you. See ya in the next one.